Figure we'll share with everybody the Florida rain in Maine. Florida rain in Maine. That's like a song title. What do you think? Song title? No? Freaking letting up a little bit now, but.
Because I slowed down.
Oh, yeah, okay. Alright. Yeah, everybody can see the rain. The Florida rain in Maine stays the same every day. Oh my God. I don't have to blur this guy's license plate out in front of us. Nobody can ever read it.
Keep it in case I get hit with something.
Yeah, no kidding.
The friggin' trailer.
It's debris, remember?
That's in Florida.
Yeah, I know. It's so stupid. Everybody, who's outside eating ice cream at the ice cream shack?
We're 1,400 miles north of the Bible Belt.
Thank God. Oh, nobody waiting for ice cream in the rain. What a mystery. Yep. Now it's definitely letting up. Well, that was the torrential downpour of 2018. Glad we could share it with you. Oh, there's the pot shop. Pot shop. Does your town have a pot shop? My town has a pot shop. I love it when you can walk in a store, buy pot.
Isn't that in Colorado?
Yeah, but we're not in Colorado. Bunch of hippies in Colorado. All right, everybody. Have fun.